Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 18th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number one today, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the Euro dollar, make sure you check out the video I made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So the euro did have a nice push down today. Like I said this morning, it seems more likely that it would have gone down to one of the fib levels. It was actually an extremely clear entry, 1, 2, 3 waves up, impulsive down, almost perfect ABC correction, really. So that was definitely a nice entry to go short. Now we're sitting at a Fibonacci level again. I would look carefully because if it does break structure to the upside, it could still be the end of a correction, and it definitely could still be the continuation of the uptrend. But I would definitely be cautious. I mean, because if the US dollar is going up in a wave C, then this possibly could just keep on drifting down. So really, unless you get a very significant break of structure to the upside, I would actually, look in something like that. I would probably still be looking for shorts in a downtrend. I still think there's a good chance that it will bounce off one of these fib levels and continue the uptrend. We have a lot of really big news this week, but until it actually happens, just continue to look for shorts. And if we're wrong about it going up, then it's really not going to cause too many issues if we continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. So don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and also don't forget to take a look at my new website linked over here in the corner. As always, thanks and happy trading.